Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a bitty clean. Boost your self-esteem, I get top. Dirty waters, every day.
Hello faves. I will be doing a knotless braided wig from Ywigs. I'm so excited for this video because I don't think I have a braided wig video on the internet. So this will be my first time showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. So excited. But yes, y'all, this is a 10-inch natural color human hair lace wig. Okay? And I did use braiding hair to, do the braids. So my gel of choice is going to be Shine and Jam, the yellow jar for today. I didn't end up using, like so much of it just because this is a wig. So I just used a little bit of that. Now this is a Kinky straight hair wig, but I did end up straightening it and like flat ironing it just so it can just be very manageable while I braid it. And it made it a whole lot better, honestly. I really liked it. But the Kinky straight texture does give off that natural hair feel, kind of like our hair. Now the lace on this wig is actually really nice. Like, I really like it. Now I would say I would definitely bleach the knots before starting this process, just so that your wig can be looking absolutely seamless. So I definitely would suggest that. I also would suggest using either 1B or like the color 2 for this natural hair color so it can like match the wig. I feel like if you get a 1, that might be too dark, too black. But as you can see, I have like a mixture of browns on my braiding hair. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. So I'm going to just show you guys in a slow motion like how I basically added the hair. I just sectioned off a piece of the wig into 3 parts. Once I did that, I went ahead and just started adding braiding hair as normal. I also do have a knotless video where I show like how to do large knotless braids, but this is just like a video just showing you how I added to the wig. So I basically just keep on braiding down and just add small portions little by little, not really small, like medium-sized portions of hair little by little, and then flip my hands over and then continue to braid the bottom. I really didn't have to use that much gel, but when I did, I just made sure that all the hair was slicked down and in place before I started to section it into 3 parts. So for the bottom of the wig, I definitely just did like 1 row, and you can tell like where that row would be on the wig. This is like a slow motion of how I braid. I know a lot of people braid with their thumbs. I braid with my index fingers. I use my index finger to go underneath the pieces of hair that I want to weave. Some people use their thumbs. I use my pointer finger. Look at the wig, y'all. Like, just look at this wig. It just looks so good. They really did a good job on this wig, especially a wig that you're about to braid. What? Honestly, you can get away with a lot of styles on this wig. Honestly, you can treat this wig almost like it's your natural hair, like in a blown out state. Like, you could probably do crochet styles on this wig. You could do like knotless with like curls. You could do like, probably could do stitch braids on this as well. But I feel like this was like the easiest thing I could have done on a wig. It was super easy, and I really enjoyed like how this came out. Like, I really created something that I think I did such a good job on for my first time, y'all. My first time. Now I do like this wig just because it does have combs inside of it, which is going to be very helpful for it to have a secure spot on my head. So at the front, you can see I'm starting on my second row. So at the front, there was 3 rows basically on each side. As you can see, there's one braid right there and then a braid above it that I'm working on right now, and then there's going to be one more braid. So altogether it was 6 rows up at the front, but basically 3 on each side. And I'm gonna let y'all know this, there was no plucking involved in this video. I might have plucked the edges a little bit, but that was about it. There was no plucking involved. This hair already came ready to go for some braids and to be styled, and I absolutely like adored this hair. I would definitely recommend even their kinky straight hair. The way it just straightened like perfectly, like straight out of the box, was just already immaculate and was very impressive. So now I'm working on the front. So after this, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I installed it. I am not like the best at installing wigs, but I did do a pretty good job. I'm not going to lie. You guys will see at the end, after these few little clips of me just braiding the wig, you guys are going to see exactly how I installed it and what I used and everything. So yeah, just keep on watching, and shout out to Ywigs for sure, because this wig was definitely one of my top 10. Calm down, she could be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never say where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. So of course I have to go in with my Kiss foundation just to make sure that the knots and the lace is looking similar to my color. So that's what I did, just covered the lace, all of the lace, anything that had lace, basically the whole wig with my Kiss foundation. So I placed the wig on my head and just sprayed my Eben spray. I used the black one. I think it works better than the yellow and the red one, but this is just me cutting around the lace. I didn't end up cutting the lace in the back just because I wanted to make sure that I took the wig off and cut the lace in the back. I wanted to be able to like see it. So on here I'm not gonna show like cutting the back, but it'll just be me cutting the front. Now I was trying to cut my baby hairs with that eyebrow razor, but it was just not working out because it's a little dull. But this is just me curling my edges just so I can go ahead and lay them. And I know the lace is looking really crazy right here, but you guys, I promise I do a better job than what's going on right now. I had to melt it again after laying my baby hairs. I just put a little bit more Eben spray and then went ahead and used my scarf and laid it again. I laid it about 2 to 3 times, like after I like messed with my edges a little bit, and then I put like the scarf on to melt it down just 2 to 3 times, honestly, because I had to make sure that it was looking right. Okay, y'all, I'm not the best with installing wigs, but I installed this wig and I think I did a pretty good job. I'm not the best at installing wigs. Again, I tried my best. I definitely used some more makeup, some more powder at the lace, and these are the baby hairs. I didn't cut the back lace just because I wanted to leave it and cut it off of my head. So I didn't cut the back lace. I did curl the ends though. I used some perm rods, dipped them in some hot water. And this is the other side. I didn't do too bad with the install. I think I just have trouble in this area. The sides are pretty good, honestly. I think the sides are pretty good. This side is a little, ooh, yeah. Need to lay it down a little bit more. But yes, overall, I think it's so cute. Like, y'all gotta invest in a braided wig. Ywigs did their thing with this one right here. I'm about to undo my curls. I think they're dry. Yeah, they're pretty much dry. I want them to be kind of like wavy. So excited about this wig. So cute. What? And I really like braided this within what? It took me like an hour and a half, 2 hours to braid the wig. And then to install maybe another like what, 30-40 minutes. Ooh, like Ywigs did their thing with this one. And these, I would consider these like jumbo knotless, not really like large, but definitely like a jumbo knotless. Now the back, you might have to add some makeup to that because the back, yeah, the back has like a portion where, you know, you can see the parts and obviously tell that it's a wig, which I mean, you can look at it and tell that it's a wig, but yeah, I would just say the back will be my overall concern. But regardless of that, if you wanted to do other styles like a crochet style, like you could basically just treat this wig like your real hair. I even like straightened it in the beginning and like it really looked like a blowout of my hair. So these are the waves in the braids. The wig fits really well. If you guys want it to fit like a little bit tighter, the Ywigs does include like an elastic band, adjustable loops on that you can like put this elastic band onto the wig. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Ywigs for sponsoring this video. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. I did end up like adding some more powder makeup to the lace just so it can blend better, and it really did help. I know I used the cream foundation for underneath the wig, but after I got done, I went ahead and used the powder foundation and just put that all around the lace up at the front so that it could just blend better, and that really did help out like a lot. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye faves. All of the love I see living inside.